Bicycle.
Велосипед.
I ride a new bicycle.
Boyfriend.
Хлопець.
She loves her boyfriend.
Choose.
Вибирати.
Choose a color now.
Dictionary.
Словник.
Open your English dictionary.
Woman.
Жінка.
The woman is very nice.
Ill.
Хворий.
The black cat is ill.
Teacher.
Вчитель.
Our teacher is kind.
August.
Серпень.
My birthday is in August.
Somebody.
Хтось.
Somebody is at the door.
Could.
Міг би, могли.
Could you help me, please?
Well.
Добре.
I don't feel very well.
Spell.
Заклинання.
Can you spell your name?
Club.
Клуб.
Join our sports club.
Happy.
Щасливий.
We are very happy today.
Idea.
Ідея.
This is a great idea.
Meat.
М'ясо.
I do not eat meat.
Shopping.
Покупки.
Let's go shopping together.
Near.
Поруч, близько.
My school is near here.
University.
Університет.
She studies at the university.
Seat.
Сидіння, місце.
Please take a seat.
Her.
Її, їй.
Give her this book.
By.
Біля, за.
Stand by the window.
Half.
Половина.
Cut it in half.
Fantastic.
Фантастичний.
The weather is fantastic.
Soon.
Скоро.
See you very soon.
Trousers.
Штани.
These black trousers are new.
Website.
Вебсайт.
Look at this website.
Chart.
Діаграма.
Look at the color chart.
Still.
Досі, все ще.
I am still waiting for you.
3.
3.
I have 3 close friends.
Angry.
Злий, роздратований.
Why are you so angry?
Air.
Повітря.
The morning air is fresh.
Bird.
Птах.
Look at that beautiful bird.
Tea.
Чай.
I want a cup of tea.
Fire.
Вогонь.
The fire is hot.
Class.
Клас, урок.
Our class starts at 9.
Hair.
Волосся.
She has long hair.
Better.
Кращий, краще.
I feel much better now.
Weather.
Погода.
The weather is nice today.
Do.
Робити.
What do you want to do?
More.
Більше.
Give me more time, please.
Supermarket.
Супермаркет.
Go to the supermarket.
Quiet.
Тихий.
Please be quiet now.
Area.
Область, район.
This is a safe area.
Film.
Фільм.
I love this funny film.
It.
Це, воно.
It is a beautiful day.
Sit.
Сидіти.
Please sit on the chair.
Okay.
Гаразд.
Everything is okay now.
So.
Так, тому.
I am so tired today.
Salt.
Сіль.
Pass me the salt, please.
Education.
Освіта.
Education is very important.
Explain.
Пояснювати.
Can you explain this rule?
Cost.
Вартість, коштувати.
How much does it cost?
Sister.
Сестра.
My sister lives in London.
Lose.
Втрачати, програвати.
Don't lose your keys.
Boring.
Нудний.
This book is very boring.
Taxi.
Таксі.
Let's take a taxi.
White.
Білий.
The snow is white.
Hotel.
Готель.
The hotel is clean.
Sell.
Продавати.
They sell fresh bread here.
19.
19.
He is 19 years old.
Next.
Наступний.
See you next week.
Pay.
Платити.
You can pay cash.
Plate.
Тарілка.
Put food on the plate.
Hungry.
Голодний.
I am very hungry now.
Hard.
Важкий.
This is a hard task.
War.
Стіна.
The wall is blue.
Fish.
Риба.
The cat loves to eat fish.
Shop.
Магазин.
This shop is closed today.
Tomato.
Помідор.
Add a fresh tomato here.